इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ ऑन सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट. So this is the first numerical on solubility product. A saturated solution of calcium fluoride in water on analysis was found to contain at 298 Kelvin is 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 3 gram per 100 centimeter cube. Calculate the solubility product. So बेसिकली जो हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है दिस वैल्यू 1.7 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 3 ग्राम पर 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. दिस इज गिवन एज द solubility of calcium fluoride. So what is this? This is given to be solubility of calcium fluoride because obviously हम इनके सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन की ही बात करेंगे व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट देयर solubility. So this is given to be 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 3 gram per 100 centimeter cube. Okay, so now हमें solubility दी है, हमें क्या निकालना है? solubility product. First of all, you should always remember that solubility is always expressed in moles per liter. In moles per liter. So whatever value is given to us for calcium fluoride in this particular units like gram per 100 centimeter cube, we need to convert it into moles per liter. So let us change this solubility into moles per liter. For that हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए? Molar mass of calcium fluoride. So what is the molar mass of calcium fluoride? This is calcium और दो फ्लोरीन एटम्स का ऐड करके इट विल कम आउट टू बी 78.0, right? So we will have to calculate the number of moles in this gram of calcium fluoride. So let us calculate number of moles of calcium fluoride. This comes out to be weight 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 3 upon 78.07, and this value is equal to 0.02177 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. Now this जो हमने moles निकाले हैं they are in 100 centimeter cube and जो molarity होती है that is in liters. So let us calculate for liter. So if 100 centimeter cube of solution contains calcium fluoride equal to how many moles? 0.02177 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. So what will 1 liter? That is 1000 centimeter cube of solution will contain. This will be equal to 0.02177 into 10 raised to power minus 3 upon 100 into 1000. ये कट गया, कैंसल आउट हो गया, and this is equal to 0.0002177. So this comes out to be the solubility of calcium fluoride in moles per liter, or we can say it is the molarity of calcium fluoride, right? So the solubility of calcium fluoride is equal to 0.0002177, or we can write it 2.177 into 10 raised to power minus 4 moles per liter, right? Now हमें क्या निकालना है? Solubility product. So for that we'll have to write down the equilibrium equation. So calcium fluoride on dissolution will give 1 mole of calcium fluoride on dissolution will give 1 mole of calcium ion and 2 moles of fluoride ions, right? Now this is solubility. Okay, so 1 mole of it will give 1 mole of calcium ion and 2 moles of fluoride ion. So you have to check from the equation, right? So in the same way, now how many moles we have been given? हमें दिए हैं 2.177 into 10 raised to power minus 4 will give 2.177 into 10 raised to power minus 4 moles of calcium ion and 2 into 2.177 into 10 raised to power minus 4 moles of fluoride ion. Now what is the solubility product? KSP. How is it written? It is written as the concentration of calcium ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient, which is 1, into concentration of fluoride ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient, which is 2. So this comes out to be calcium ion की value put करो 2.177 into 10 raised to power minus 4 and इसकी value आएगी calculate करके यहाँ 2 से multiply करके it will come out 4.354 into 10 raised to power minus 4 का square. Also on calculation, this whole thing will come out to be 4.127 into 10 raised to power minus 11. So solubility product of calcium fluoride will be this. It will be 4.127 into 10 raised to the power minus 11. चलिए ऐसा ही एक similar numerical और करते हैं. The solubility of silver chromate, that is Ag2CrO4, is given as 8 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles per liter. Calculate the solubility product. Same है. अब इसमें क्या है easier हमारे लिए, जो हमें solubility given है of silver chromate, solubility of silver chromate, that is given in moles per liter, that is already given in moles per liter. तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, मतलब इसको कुछ चेंजेस नहीं करने हैं. We have to directly calculate solubility product. Now obviously उसके लिए हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Equilibrium equation, that is this. So it will give 2 moles of silver ion and and 1 mole of chromate ion, right? So how many moles we have been given? 8 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles. तो इससे कितने आएंगे? 2 into 8 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles of silver ion and 8 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles of chromate ion, right? So now calculate the solubility product, KSP, which will be equal to concentration of silver ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient, which is 2 into concentration of chromate ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient, which is 1. So this becomes 2 into this 16 into 10 raised to power minus 5 ka square, 8 into 10 raised to power minus 5, and this value will become 2.048 into 10 raised to power minus 12, that is KSP. So this is the solubility product of silver chromate ion with such concentration. Chaliye. Next, move on to next numerical. Complete the statement. If solubility of aluminium sulfate is Y, its solubility product will be. So हमें क्या दिया है? Aluminium sulfate की solubility दी है. We have been given the solubility of aluminium sulfate is equal to what? Is equal to Y. So that is the solubility of aluminium sulfate is given, right? हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें निकालना है इसका solubility product. Okay, so write the equation for it. अब यहाँ पे हमें कुछ नहीं बताया, तो हम assume कर लेंगे that is Y moles per liter है ये, right? So aluminium sulfate on dissolution will give 2 moles of aluminium ion and 3 moles of sulfate ion, right? So Y moles कितना क्या देगा? Y moles of aluminium sulfate will give 2Y moles of aluminium ion and 3Y moles of sulfate ion. And what will be the solubility product of aluminium sulfate? that will be equal to concentration or solubility of aluminium ion raised to power its stoichiometric coefficient into solubility of sulfate ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient, which is 3. So that means y square 2y square into y cube, and this comes out to be not y cube, I'm sorry, 3y है ना यहाँ पे 3y. So this will come out to be 4x square into 27. Oh, I'm sorry, it's y. 4y square into 27y cube, and this is equal to 108 y5 raised to power y5. So that will be the solubility product of aluminium sulfate. ठीक है, चलिए next numerical. Calculate the solubility product of AgCl if the solubility of the salt in saturated solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.00198 gram per liter. Again, the solubility is given to us in grams per liter, and we'll have to change this value into moles per liter, right? So let us calculate in moles per liter. For that, we need to know the molar mass of silver chloride, that is AgCl, which is equal to 143.22. So therefore इसकी solubility in moles क्या हो जाएगी? Solubility in moles per liter will be equal to, जो value हमें given है 0.0198 divided by its molar mass, that is 432. This is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles per liter, right? अब हमें क्या निकालना है? Solubility product. So write the equation, write the equilibrium equation. This is this. So as we know, 1 mole of silver chloride gives 1 mole of silver ion and 1 mole of chloride ion. So what's the value? 1.38. So 1.38 into 10 raised to power 5 moles per liter will give 1.38 into 10 raised to power 5 moles of silver ion and 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles of chloride ion. So यहाँ से KSP क्या आ जाएगा? It will come out to be concentration of, like, solubility of silver ion into solubility of chloride ion. Substitute the values. 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 5 into 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 5, and this is equal to 1.907 into 10 raised to power minus 10. So that will be the solubility of silver chloride. So next one, the solubility of magnesium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin is 8.35 into 10 raised to power minus 3 grams per liter. Find out its KSP. Molecular weight or molar mass of magnesium hydroxide is 58. सेम न्यूमेरिकल है एज वी डिड इट प्रीवियसली, सिर्फ इसमें हमें ध्यान ये रखना है जब हम इक्वेशन लिखेंगे, जब हम मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की डिसोल्यूशन मेंशन करेंगे इक्विलिब्रियम पे, we have to remember that 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide gives 1 mole of magnesium ion but 2 moles of हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन. यहां से इसकी सॉल्युबिलिटी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू विल हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द सॉल्युबिलिटी इन ग्राम्स, फ्रॉम ग्राम्स पर लीटर टू मोल्स पर लीटर. जैसे मैंने सिल्वर क्लोराइड वाला न्यूमेरिकल किया है, बिल्कुल सिमिलर है. 8.35 into 10 raised to power minus 3 को divide by 50 at its molecular weight, which will give it solubility in moles per liter. And from that, by using this equation, you can calculate solubility of these two and multiply raised to their coefficients will give the answer of this particular question. ठीक है, तो चलिए ये आप खुद solve करेंगे. Try it yourself. It's very easy. Next one. Calculate the solubilities of silver chromate, barium chromate, ferric hydroxide, lead chloride, and mercurous iodide at 298 Kelvin from their solubility product constant. Determine the molarities of individual ions, KSP of each of them, all the salts, silver chromate, barium chromate, ferric hydroxide, PbCl2, etc. etc. have been given. तो यहाँ से हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ से हमें अब हमें क्या दिया, हमें KSP दिया, हमें solubility निकालनी है. यहाँ पे जो अभी तक करते आए हैं उसका exactly opposite करना है. So what we will do, using the solubility product, we will calculate the solubilities of each of these salts and उसके बाद इनकी सबके salt के जो ions हैं उनकी हम molarity निकालेंगे. So let us start with first one. First one is silver chromate, right? So what is given to us? We have been given the solubility, K solubility product of what? We have been given solubility product of silver chromate, Ag2CrO4. This is equal to 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12 है, raised to power minus 12 moles. गिवन नहीं है, अंडरस्टूड है कि ये मोल्स पर लीटर में है. जब नहीं गिवन हो तो दैट्स अंडरस्टूड, इट इज मोल्स पर लीटर. सो व्हाट इज द solubility of the silver chromate ion? So silver chromate. So let us assume, let the solubility of silver chromate be equal to S मान लेते हैं, ठीक है. So let us write the equilibrium equation. Silver chromate on dissolution will give 2 moles of silver ion and 1 mole of chromate ion, right? So इसका अगर again 1 mole ये देता है, 2 moles ये on dissolution and 2 moles ये, so that means if solubility of silver chromate is if it is S moles, so S mole of it will give 2S moles of silver ion and S moles of chromate ion, right? So write the solubility product formula. KSP is equal to solubility of silver ion raised to its stoichiometric coefficient into solubility of chromate ion, and इसका stoichiometric coefficient obviously 1 है. So that means 2s square, मैंने यहाँ पे प्लस डाल दिया by mistake, so इसको इरेज करो, 2s square and s, this is equal to 4s cube, and this value KSP is given to us 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12. So 4s cube is equal to 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 12. बस यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से हम s निकाल लेंगे. So s cube is equal to 1.1 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and this comes out to be 0.275 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and s is equal to cube root of 0.275 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and this is equal to 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So this is the solubility of silver chromate, which is equal to 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 moles per liter. ठीक है, तो this is the solubility of silver chromate, right? अभी हमें और क्या बोला है, molarity of all the ions. So molarity is what? Molarity is this is molarity, no? This जो हमने वो ये निकाल लिया, 2s moles, s moles. So what will be the molarity of silver ion? Molarity of ions, that means silver ion की क्या है, is equal to 2s. So 2 into 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 5 which is equal to 13 into 10 raised to power minus 5. And what is the molarity of chromate ion CrO4 2 negative? That is equal to S. So that is same as the solubility, that is 6.5 into 10 raised to power 5 moles per liter. समझ आया? So this is how we calculate the solubility using the solubility product. तो अभी जितने भी इसमें आपको आयंस दिए हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे हैव गिवन सिल्वर क्रोमेट के बाद बेरियम क्रोमेट दिया है, दे हैव गिवन फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड PbCl2 Hg2Cl2, ये सबके सब जो दिए हैं Hg2Cl2 Hg2I2 दिया है, ये सबके सब यूज करके आई मीन इनके सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट यूज करके you can calculate the solubility in the same way as I did right now for silver chromate. So it is quite simple. और उसके बाद जब solubility आ जाएगी you can calculate the molarity of all the ions. मैं इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज बता देती हूँ आपको, ये बाकी सारे इजी हैं. लाइक बेरियम क्रोमेट में 1 बेरियम आयन बनेगा, 1 क्रोमेट आयन बनेगा. फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड में 1 फेरिक आयन बनेगा एंड 3 हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन बनेंगे. लेड क्लोराइड में 1 लेड आयन बनेगा एंड 2 क्लोराइड आयन बनेंगे. बट इन मर्क्यूरिक आयोडाइड लाइक दैट इज Hg2I2. सो हियर हमें थोड़ा सा इक्वेशन कैसे लिखनी है वो मैं बता देती हूँ. ये कैसे होगा ऑन डिसोल्यूशन. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. I am writing the equation, the equilibrium equation for Hg2I2, and you can solve it yourself. ठीक है. So for Hg2I2, this on dissolution gives this sign. Okay. So generally बच्चे क्या करते हैं इसको, Hg2I2 on dissolution gives 2Hg plus sign plus 2 iodide ion, and this is wrong. This is how it on dissolution forms these two ions, not this sign. So ये equation use करके आप solubility product से solubility निकाल सकते हैं इस particular question में. And after calculating solubility, obviously you can calculate the molarity of all the ions. तो ऐसे कुछ और numericals भी मैं कराना चाह रही हूँ. We'll take up 1 or 2. I'll see how many I can take up. So we'll take some of them and calculate. I think two more numericals will take up on calculating the solubility. That's it. ठीक है. चलिए. Calculate the solubility of magnesium hydroxide. पहले तो magnesium hydroxide गलत लिखा हुआ है. It will be, इसको कट कर, इसको magnesium, ये 2 सबस्क्रिप्ट होना चाहिए, मैंने सुपरस्क्रिप्ट लिख दी, बाई चांस प्रिंट हो गया. सो दिस इज MgOH2. इट्स सॉल्युबिलिटी निकालनी है. इफ इट्स सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Again very simple. Magnesium hydroxide on dissolution give 1 mole of magnesium ion and 2 moles of hydroxide ions, right? So agar if S is the solubility of magnesium hydroxide, so S will be the solubility of magnesium ions and 2S will be the solubility of hydroxide ions. So what will be KSP? KSP will be equal to solubility of magnesium ion into solubility of hydroxide ion, and its stoichiometric coefficient at 2. So that means S into 2S square, which is equal to 4S cube. Now 4S cube is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and S cube is equal to 5 by 4 in 5 by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and S will be cube root of 5 by 4 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Yes, its value will be 1.077 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So this is how we calculate the solubility of this particular salt, that is magnesium hydroxide. I'll take up one more numerical on the same topic, that is the solubility product of, I think, ferric hydroxide का करते हैं. Yes, the solubility product of ferric hydroxide is 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 36 at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the solubility of ferric hydroxide in grams per liter. तो हम जनरली यूज करते हैं मोल्स पर लीटर में, इन्होंने हमें बोला है ग्राम्स पर लीटर में निकालो. वेरी इजी. एटॉमिक मासेस गिवन है. चलिए पहले तो देखते हैं क्या कैसे करना है हमें. पहले हम सॉलिबिलिटी निकालेंगे, ठीक है, फिर उसको हम ग्राम्स पर लीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. आई मीन ग्राम्स पर लीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. ठीक है, पहले हम मोल्स पर लीटर में निकालते हैं. तो हमें ये, क्योंकि हमें जो सॉलिबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट दिया है दैट इज 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 36. तो चलिए राइट डाउन दी इक्वेशन. फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड ऑन डिसोसिएशन गिव 1 mole of ferric ion and 3 moles of, on dissolution, 3 moles of hydroxide ion. So if S is the solubility of ferric hydroxide, then S will be the solubility of ferric ion and 3S will be the solubility of hydroxide ion. So that means again KSP is equal to S into 3S ka cube, which is equal to 27S4, and this value is given to us 27S4. This is given as 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 36. So यहाँ से S4 आ जाएगा 1.1 by 4 36, and S की वैल्यू आएगी इसका डबल स्क्वायर रूट लेके, जो भी हमारे पास ये वैल्यू आई ना, सॉरी नॉट 4, 27. So 1.1 into this का डबल स्क्वायर रूट ले लेना. So this is equal to 0.449 into 10 raised to power minus 9 मोल्स पर लीटर. अब हमें मोल्स पर लीटर से क्या करना है, हमें इसको ग्राम्स पर लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. पहले हम क्या करते थे, ग्राम्स पर लीटर से मोल्स पर लीटर में कन्वर्ट करते थे. उसके लिए हम मोलर मास से डिवाइड करते थे, इसके लिए हम मोलर मास से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Therefore solubility in grams per liter. For that we need molar mass of ferric hydroxide or molecular weight of ferric hydroxide. So molar mass of ferric hydroxide is equal to 106.5. Therefore solubility in grams per liter will be equal to, its solubility in moles per liter कितनी आई थी, 0.449 into 10 raised to power minus 9 multiplied by 106.5, and this is equal to 4.781 into 10 raised to power minus 8 grams per liter. So this will be the solubility of ferric hydroxide in grams per liter. So this is quite simple. So these were few numericals on solubility product. Okay, these were abhi you can practice them yourself. If you find any difficulty and you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and so I'll be bringing another video on some of the remaining concepts on chemical equilibrium. Abhi bhi equilibrium pe kuch concepts bache hain like buffer and lot of other things. तो मैं अभी अपने next video में वो लेके आऊंगी. I will be solving some few numericals on those topics. Okay.